She stood there, frozen. A line of people behind her. An impatient cashier in front. And just 5 words in her mind. One small latte, please. But no sound came out. Just fear. This was Olivia's first week in the US. She moved here. With big dreams. She studied English for years. But real conversations? In real places? They felt impossible. She whispered something. The cashier didn't hear. People behind her sighed. So she ran. No coffee. No English. No confidence. Later that day, in the park, she sat alone. Her eyes filled with tears. Not because of the coffee, but because she felt small. Then someone sat beside her. A woman, maybe in her 40s, sipping tea. She looked over and asked, "Rough day?" Olivia hesitated, but nodded. The woman smiled. "You want to talk about it?" And somehow she did. Olivia spoke slowly. Broken English. Long pauses. But the woman listened. Patiently. Kindly. And then she said, "You speak more than you think. You just need practice. Would you like to talk a bit more?" That conversation lasted 20 minutes. Simple questions. Simple answers. What's your name? Where are you from? Do you like coffee? They laughed. They connected. That day, something changed. A week later, Olivia went back to that same coffee shop. This time, she smiled. She looked the cashier in the eyes and said, "One small latte, please." The words weren't perfect. The accent was strong. But she spoke. And she was heard. Because courage isn't about speaking perfect English. It's about showing up. It's about trying, even when you're scared. So if you're watching this, and you feel like Olivia, don't wait to be perfect. Start small. Speak slow. Find someone who listens. Because your voice deserves to be heard. And one day, you'll order your coffee with no fear at all.